Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Volbex. Many of you guys might not know me, but I do play Call of Duty a lot, and I am a part of Vegas Inferno. But anyways, I have an interview here with Cerad. A lot of you guys in the Call of Duty community might know who Cerad is, but he's a pretty interesting figure. He likes to make a lot of, uh, crazy statements. So are they true? Who knows? It's up to you guys. But here's the interview with Cerad. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Excuse my friends laughing in the background. We're messing around, screwing around. But anyways, hopefully you guys like the video. Let's see what Cerad has to say. And yep, sit. So what's up with Preston? I heard he's like considered like, or he's like, I heard he was like keyboarding or something like that. What's up with that?
Yeah, he's a keyboarder.
Really?
You didn't know that?
No fucking way.
Yeah, half the pros are keyboarders, and the FBI is all on it. They're catching everyone, all of them.
Wait, so
You know
so
about
the
that?
FBI?
Yes, it's big. That's why DMCA was. That's why pros can't stream music.
No
There's
way.
there's a huge ongoing investigation going on.
No fucking way. Wait, so you're saying that the FBA the FBI like is looking into the pros playing with keyboard and mouse in a professional league?
No, they're looking into him because they're recovering and doing scummy shit. All of them. They
Oh.
all fucking cheat.
They're
All of them except for me.
except wait, so there were rumors like apparently you played for somebody, like you played for one of the pros?
I played for every single one of them. They all suck.
No way. Wait, which one?
And they scam me. Because
They
I'm too good at the game.
They scam you? Wait, so that's why wait, so they just take advantage of you?
Pretty much.
That's kind of messed up, honestly. So, wait,
Thank you.
you know who Scump is, right?
He sucks.
He sucks.
Played for
yeah,
him.
he does. You played for him before? No fucking way. Like, the
I
Scump.
you know that four piece on the Hackney Yard when he wiped the whole team? That was my gameplay in CDL playlist.
Wait, so you're saying the 4-piece on Hackney Guard, that was your gameplay?
Yes. So was that 40 and 19 gameplay on
Wait, so then
Azir Cave with the AR. That
damn,
Octane
that's
played
crazy.
with.
Wait,
That's
so
complete carry.
then why don't you
And then that Persini gameplay recently was mine too. That 15 kill streak.
What? Wait, so then why aren't you talking to the feds about this shit?
I am. I'm trying, man. It's hard to fucking. They know all about it.
So like, wait.
Recently, they're fucking having me play for Crim6, cause he sucks cock, and they're fucking up my analog stick so I can't sprint. I'm looking like an idiot.
Wait, so
Literally rigging my fucking.
So who was a recent player that you played for?
Recently,
Yeah.
I played for Major Maniac.
No way. He had a pretty good weekend this week, I would say.
Cause he cheats. And all the Twitch people are hiding it, and I'm like, you need to stop hiding it because the truth needs to come out. This has been happening for 5 years. You didn't know about this?
5 years has been going on?
Yes, it's been going on. Yes, and they keep protecting it because.
Do you think the owners of these orgs know that the players are doing this stuff?
No, they don't.
What?
Hex recently found out about it, I think.
Really?
That's why. Yeah, and they just recently banned me off Reddit for posting proof.
Oh, so you're banned off the Huntsman Reddit?
No, on Reddit you can go look. You can go look on if you make a Reddit account. Go look,
Yeah.
and go to COD competitive, and there's a clip of CDL Intel, Persini paying CDL Intel to get on Huntsman. That was supposed to be me, by the way. Scammed me.
They
Out of
scammed.
$2 million.
What? So you were supposed to be on the Huntsman?
Yes. I'm not good. And they scammed me.
So what's next, man? What are your plans?
Waiting, man. Nothing I can do. I'm waiting.
Has any like orgs hit you up at all, or?
I've heard rumors that fucking Empire's picking me up, but I'm not sure.
That's why you have the Empire skin on? You're hoping to pick you up?
No, they rigged my fucking gameplay, basically.
Damn.
They do this some funky shit with your emblems. I'm not lying. Why would I lie to you?
No, I
It's
understand.
literally the FBI on my ass. The FBI watching me.
So
They
who
know
are the
exactly what I'm doing right
who
now.
are the legit gamers, like legit like pro players out there that don't like cheat?
There isn't any, besides me.
What?
Champs is gonna be rigged. If they bring me in, Champs will be rigged for me, only for me, because of what's happening. It's gonna be rigged for like 6 years.
Wait, so
as long as I'm in the league.
But
because
earlier you said that that half of the players were cheating.
half the pros are keyboarders and they fucking.
So what's good with the other half?
Okay, so some of them keyboard, some of them use a Cronus, and some of them recover. So they all basically cheat.
Wait,
And
what's
then
the last one?
Viewbot.
Some of them recover.
And then
What?
some of them viewbot. Recover.
Wait.
Account recover.
Oh, okay. I know what you mean. Wait, so some of them viewbot? Like who? Like, do you think? Wait, because
I recently caught TP viewbotting me.
TP viewbotted. Wait, what about like I heard Silly possibly viewbots?
Yeah, he viewbots. He's dropped.
He's dropped? Wait, what?
What?
Yes. Everything you're seeing on streams is all pre-recorded 6 months ago.
Like the CDL league?
I'm legit fucking. I already know who wins champs, and I'm not gonna say.
You're not. Wait. So this whole league was pre-recorded 6 months ago?
It's been pre-recorded because of coronavirus. So that and because the FBI and because everything that's going on.
So it was because so the coronavirus like fucked it up and they pre-recorded the league.
And I think the government set up coronavirus to catch all these scumbags recently. And then do you hear about that Audiane girl? You know who that is?
The who?
It's this girl. Okay, so I didn't want to go on a date with her. This happened the first event, which was in Minnesota when it went to land. She hijacked my email and stole $2 million, or she stole my contract basically. And then proceeded to do the same thing. Basically.
Oh, so basically they stole your contract
been hacked ever since.
They stole your contract.
Can't get into it.
They stole your contract and gave it to Pristini?
No, like so this girl got you know how you I don't know how contracts work, but you get sent to you know, I don't even care at this point. I know I'm probably not supposed to be talking about this because I'll probably get fucking a huge fucking situation, but I don't give a fuck. I'm sick of it at this point. So, I'll probably be banned for never. I don't know what's gonna happen, but anyway. So, I'm just telling you straight up because this is so all the viewers know that every single pro cheats and you should stop watching them. Only should watch me. Straight up.
I got you, man. Listen, bro. I gotta go soon, but I you know, I believe your story. I think you have an interesting story, and I was wondering if maybe soon we can like get on like a podcast or something and just like have you tell the world what's going on.
I'm totally down.
All right, man.
Once it all gets fixed, once it all comes out. I mean, there's also if you go to this guy called Tactical Rab's YouTube.
Yeah.
We should talk again soon.
Go look him up.
Yeah.
And go to a video where it shows it's like 6 months ago, and it says this video was taken down because he had to because he exposed.
Well, I'll look him up. Listen, man, I have you added, brother. Let's talk soon. I wanna.
Why are you leaving?
I gotta go. I got a couple GBs to play with a couple of my buddies.
Ridiculous, man. Like how fucking fucked up it is.
It's crazy stuff, man. Well, all right, bro. Take care, man. Hopefully we talk soon, man.
See you later.
See you, brother. Bro. There's no chance. Wait, I actually...